Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you about two websites which are going to be very useful for you guys. The first website, do simply you have to write here BG remover. After writing BG remover, as you can see, we have an option. We have this website. After writing this, as you can see, we have this option which is called remove background. This is a website which is used for remove background of any picture. So what you have to do, simply click on this option, this effect, this website. So simply click on this website. After clicking on this website, as you can see, this is the interface of the website. Now what you have to do, simply click on the upload image. After clicking on the upload image, select your image, that which image you want to be uploaded. Let me select the image. For example, I'm going to open this one. Open it, and after opening this, wait a bit, the background will be removed automatic. As you can see, our background is removed. We have some other options. If you want to zoom in the picture. If you want to zoom in the picture, you can also do that. If you want to zoom out, you can also do that. If you want to add a background, you can do that. You have to choose the background from here. Which one? This one. For example, I want to this one. Click on this one and write on the done. It will be added. If you want another, you can also do that. Go to the erase or restore. This is another option. If you want to erase something else instead of this, you can also do it sometimes. So we have multiple objects in the picture. So if you want to edit or delete some others, you can also do that. For erasing them, you have to take the brush, and after that you have to click on the done, and they will be automatically erased. And then Canva design, create design. If you want to create any design, you can also do that. These are the designs. This is linked with Canva. So if you know about Canva, you can also do that. And then the final step is download. Click on the download. When you click on the image, you will be downloaded. If you want this image downloaded in high resolution, you have to click on the download HD. And if you want to download in HD, I mean high resolution, then you have to buy the premium version of this website. So let's open the old version which we have downloaded. Click on this one. So as you can see, this is the simple normal version of this one. And we have another website which is called Excel to PDF, Word to PDF, or any converter. It is used for, basically it is used for the converting option. So let me write here. I'm going to write the Word to PDF converter, and here press the enter. As you can see, the first website which is called convert to PDF. Now open this one. After opening this one, and you have to simply upload the file, a Word file. Now what you have to do, click on the select Word file. After clicking on the select Word file, now you have to select the file, which file you want to be uploaded. I want this one. For example, I want this one, minutes of meeting. Now open it. After opening it, now simply you have to click on the convert to PDF. Wait a bit, it will be converted. So as you can see, we have option download PDF. Simply you have to click on the download PDF. After clicking on the download PDF, you have to click here. Your PDF file is downloading. This is a simple way you can convert the Word file to PDF. You can also do that PDF file to one Word. You can use this website for this purpose. So I hope these both options, both websites, both tricks are going to be very useful for you guys. So see you in the next video.